Welcome to Australian Muscle Car TV. Today we have the great pleasure to bring you a beautiful 1973 Calypso Green white trim XA GT, and what a beauty it is. Restored about 3 years ago. It's all matching numbers, and third month 73 car, and it has been just beautifully restored. All rebuilt to factory spec, and originally was from Eclipse Motors in Ballarat, which you can still see on the back window. Eclipse Motors Ballarat Ford. And to the guys that know these cars very well, you will instantly recognize the color combo, which was the color combo for the one of one Phase 4 GDHOs built Calypso white trim. This one obviously is not the car, but it is very close, although it's a T-bar and no sunroof and no power windows. But what a beautiful car, and you got the GDHO badge there just to tickle your fancy and remind you of what this colour combo was. 63,000 original miles. Rod, we might pop the bonnet, just undo the, so 63,000 miles, beautiful interior, everything redone. Look at that. Brand new. All the belts are brand new, as you can see, the webbing. I'll just pop the bonnet, and yeah, everything done beautifully. Original radio, so that's the only option the car came with from factory is the radio, but it's now been upgraded with Bathurst globes and power steering, as you can see there. And what else is there, Rod, that was upgraded?
Dual mirror.
Oh, the dual mirror. Okay, you've got the dual mirror there as well. But here we go, so matching number car, and then that matches the shock tower, and then over to your tag. So look at that, 351 T code, B for T-bar auto, white for W for white, and then J for Calypso Green. Here you go, all beautifully redone. Let's kick her over, Rod, and listen to this beauty, and then we'll do a couple of drive-bys, and then we'll take you for a drive in the car and let you feel what it's like to drive one of these XAs. Starts first go. So obviously, being a auto, it's a 2V headed, 4 Venturi carburetor. So all correct. 2V heads, 4V Venturi carburetor. There you go with the power steer. Very mild, just factory spec. Let's lock it down. And then what we'll do is a few drive-bys, but look how beautiful that is. Beautiful condition all around the car. There's a lot of photos on the website. That is sweet. Very nice mild car, beautifully restored to stock standard, which is really the way they are. Sorry about the wind, but a bit of a windy day. But we'll do a couple of drive-bys and then we'll go for a drive. Thank you. Here she comes. Look at they are just a beautiful presence on the road, the XAs. Okay, let's go for a drive. Oh, just
Canberra?
Canberra, yeah. That'd be good. The new Uber. The Uber service from Australian Muscle Car Sales. How good would that be if you got to deliver people's cars?
Yeah. So any Melbourne buyers happy to bring it down to here.
Fantastic. What a run that'd be.
Yeah.
So how all the gauges, everything works?
Yeah, everything's perfect.
Looks like it's a more modern radio in it, doesn't it? Super fringe front, but
It's sort of like a retro, and it's actually got a digital display behind. You can see the LCD display behind.
So they've updated it with FM and AM.
Yeah, but the original radio comes with the car.
Oh, okay, that's good. And there's a letter for verification for the car.
Yeah, Ford letter and ACCH report.
Okay, and it's beautifully done. Everything is absolutely immaculate and all reconditioned, brand new, retrimmed. You got your speakers on the parcel shelf. As I said, the belts are all brand new, and correct 7 grand tacho and 140 mile an hour speedo. Nice with the power steer.
Yeah, very nice. And the auto, nice and smooth, crisp changes for the FMX.
Yeah, you could hear that when you drove away.
Yeah. And nice with the 3-to-1 diff. Nice and tall, plenty of torque. Just a 2V head motor, so nice and smooth and torquey off the bottom. So, pleasure to drive.
And the power steering feels good.
Just factory steer. It's perfect, like a Fairlane or LTD.
Yeah.
Very quiet, this car too. But sort of standard dual exhaust.
Yeah, that's lovely. Oh, how nice is that?
Yeah, kick down
Perfect. Yeah, that's really nice. Brakes are good.
Yeah, plenty of feel.
Yeah. So pretty much fully restored 3 years ago. What's the odometer reading?
Just 63,000 miles.
Yeah, so it's probably a genuine 63,000 mile car that's just had a like a full tidy up. But yeah, very, very nice. Very nice burble out the back as well. Makes it effortless, the power steering, doesn't it?
Yeah, compared to some of the monsters we get to drive.
Yeah. Okay, so we'll just do one more takeoff and then we'll jump in and have a run. That is sweet. Drives beautifully, doesn't it? If you're interested in this car, please check out all the photos on the Australian Muscle Car Sales website. And if there are further questions, please call Mike Selby or Rod Kearns. And thank you for watching.